Dear children, welcome to our innovation. இன்னைக்கு நம்ம சேனல்ல 6th standard science term 1 unit 3 matter around us lesson ஓட part 2 பார்க்க போறோம். ஆல்ரெடி part 1 அப்லோட் பண்ணிருக்கோம். அந்த வீடியோட லிங்க் descriptionல கொடுக்கிறேன், பார்த்துக்கோங்க. வாங்க இப்போ நம்ம வீடியோக்குள்ள போலாம். Dear children, now the topic we are going to see is compressibility of gases compared to liquids and solids. Okay, so how the compressibility will takes place. So gases, liquids, solids ku compressibility எப்படி இருக்குன்னு பார்க்கலாம். Now it is like an experiment, children. Now you have to take 3 syringes. Okay, take 3 syringes and you fill 1 syringe with chalk powder. So on the syringe la vandu chalk powder oru syringe la vandu chalk powder fill panikonga. So that is a solid. Okay, then another one you fill the liquid, that is you can take water, even water. Okay, the third one is an empty syringe. Okay, empty syringe will, when you pull the syringe with empty, so it will fill with gas, அதாவது air fill ஆயிரும் அந்த empty syringe ல. So one is in chalk powder, another is a liquid, and third one is an air. Okay, so இப்போ இந்த 3 syringeலயும் ஒண்ணுல chalk powder இருக்கு, இன்னொன்னுல water இருக்கு, இன்னொன்னுல gas இருக்கு, அதாவது air இருக்கு. Okay, so இதுல நீங்க எந்த when you push the syringe, okay, so அந்த plunger வந்து எது நீங்க push பண்ணும்போது air பாத்தீங்கன்னா ஈஸியா உங்களுக்கு வந்து push ஆயிரும். Okay, it will go so easier. Liquid கொஞ்சம் ஹார்டா நீங்க யூஸ் பண்ணீங்கன்னா தான் it will be compressible. Okay, chalk powder வந்து நீங்க ரொம்ப difficult பண்ணி நீங்க push பண்ணா மட்டும் தான் it will go. Okay, so this is a compressible. So எது வந்து ஈஸியா compress ஆகும்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா only the gas. Okay, then liquid, then solid. Now listen. Now see here, children, a tabular column is given. It is the different characteristics of solid, liquid, gaseous. Okay, now first it is a definite shape. So solid ku vandu definite shape irukum, it gives a shape and volume, that is its mass. Okay, now liquid, no definite shape. Liquids attain the shape of the vessel in which they are kept. So liquid எந்த liquidக்குமே shape கிடையாது. In which vessel it was kept, so it will get that container. Okay, அந்த containerோட vesselோட shapeக்கே அந்த liquid இருக்கும். Okay, they don't have a definite shape. Gases have neither a definite shape nor a volume. So gasக்கு வந்து volumeம் கிடையாது, definite shapeம் கிடையாது. Okay, so incompressible. So அதை வந்து incompressibleனா என்ன, நம்மனால சுருக்க முடியாது. Okay, we cannot able to crush it. Okay, so it is incompressible. Liquids are compressible to small extent and highly compressible. So gas வந்து highly compressible. Third point is there is little space between solid particles. Particles are tightly packed or arranged. So solids la pathinga there is no space in bit. So over molecule and atoms kedela vandu space pathinga romba kammiya da irukum. But liquid there is these particles have greater space but between them. Particles are not tightly packed or arranged and they are free to move. So they are not that much closer. Okay, so there will be great space between them. They are not tightly packed also. Here the space between gas particle is the greatest. Particles are very loosely packed and arranged. So gases la pathina molecules romboma loose packed ah irukum. Okay, they are not tightly packed. Then these particles attract each other very strongly. The force of attraction between liquid particle is lesser than solid particles. Okay, the attraction will be more in solid. It is little bit. Okay, when comparing to solid it is lesser than that. The attraction will be lesser and the force of action is very least between the gases. Okay, then particles of solid cannot move freely, so it will not move freely. Here the particles move freely. Gaseous particles are continuous and random motion. Okay, so these are the different characteristics of solid, liquid and gaseous. Okay, children. Now the next topic is pure substance and mixtures. Okay, in shops you can find some products, it is labeled as 100% pure. Okay, some products நீங்க வாங்கும்போது 100% pure னு இருக்கும். So what is the meaning of it? It means that is the product is not unadulterated. So எந்த ஒரு mixture இல்லாம it is a real product. Okay, those are called as a pure substances. Now see here, For a chemist, the word pure means something else. A pure substance is made up of only one kind of particles. So chemistry, as per the chemist, pure it means a substance that is made up of only one kind of particles. அதாவது ஒரு பார்ட்டிகலால ஆனது மட்டும்தான் பியூர்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. Okay. Then another meaning is pure substance may be elements or compounds. So it may be of element or compound. An element is made up of same kind of atom. So element என்ன ஒரே மாதிரியான ஆட்டமா இருக்கிறது தான் element. A molecule consists of two or more atoms. So these are a combination of it. Okay. Then compound is the substance formed by the chemical combination of two or more elements. So a molecule என்ன consists of two or more atoms. Okay, element means it is made up of same kind of atom. Compound means it is a mixture. Okay, two or more combination இருக்கிறது தான் compound. It is a mixture of two or more elements. Now mixture is a physical combination of two or more substances. Okay, ஒரு substances ஓட இன்னொரு substances சேர்த்து இருக்கிறது தான் mixture. Okay, these are the words, or these are related to the chemist as per the meaning of chemist. Now see here, a flowchart is given. Matter. Okay, matter is divided into pure substance, mixture. So pure means it is of only one element, isn't it? So that is element or compound. Okay, mixture, homogeneous mixture, heterogeneous mixture. So these are the types of matters. Okay, see here children, here in the bowl you can see many vegetables, isn't it? The macaroni is there, so many things is there. Okay, so this is called mixture. So it is a mixture food, isn't it? Here in this basket you can see many kinds of fruits. So it is a mixture of fruits. Okay, what is mixture? So if you take this pongal, no, so you will be having rice, dal, salt, chili, pepper, ghee. Okay, all these form a mixture. Okay, then only we will get a pongal. So mixture is a combination of many elements. Okay, now see here. Here you can see a vegetable salad and a soda water. So in this vegetable salad you can pick the individual vegetables, isn't it? So ஒரு செப்பரேட்டா நம்ம வந்து vegetables வந்து தனியா நம்ம வந்து pick பண்ணி நம்ம எடுத்து சாப்பிடலாம். But whereas in the soda you can't separate anything. So அந்த soda water நம்ம என்ன பண்ணணும், அப்படியே தான் குடிச்சாகணும். We can't separate anything from that, isn't it? It is just like a liquid. So this is how we cannot able to separate the soda water, and vegetable salad can be separated. Now see here, it is given what is a mixture, and whichever it is a mixture you have to write yes, and whichever is not you have to write no. Now what is air? So air is a mixture because it contains oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, water vapor, noble gases and other gases. So நம்ம breathe பண்ணக்கூடிய இந்த air பார்த்தீங்கன்னா it is not an element, it is a mixture. So it is a mixture of oxygen, many gases are there. Okay, oxygen is there, nitrogen, carbon dioxide and many other gases are there. Now if for example if you take milk, so milk is a mixture, isn't it? Because it contains water, fat, proteins, etc. Now take a lemon juice. So lemon juice, it is also mixture. So we are mixing lemon, water, salt or sugar, whatever it may be. Okay, so it is a mixture. So whatever we cannot extract, so once we prepared, once if the sugars everything is dissolved, so this sugar cannot be extracted from it, isn't it? So எல்லாமே mix ஆயிடுச்சுன்னா நம்ம எதையுமே என்ன பண்ண முடியாது, separate பண்ண முடியாது. It is very difficult to separate. Okay, if when we are preparing a lemon juice, so if we need more quantity, what we will do, we will add more water, more sugar, isn't it? We will be adding more water and sugar to the lemon juice, isn't it? Even lemon. So in such case we cannot separate all those things. Okay, and a mixture, it is need not have a fixed proportion of components. So இதுதான் mixtureக்கு இவ்வளவுதான் இருக்கணும் அப்படின்ட்டு கிடையாது. Now we are making fruit salad. Okay, so இவ்வளோ vegetables இவ்வளோ fruits மட்டும்தான் நம்ம போடணும்ட்டு அதில் no restriction for that. So நம்மளுக்கு என்னென்ன vegetables available or fruits எது available இருக்கோ அந்த அளவுக்கு நம்ம fruit salad and vegetable salad நம்ம செய்யலாம் இல்லையா? So mixture they do not have any fixed proportion of components. இவ்வளவுதான் இருக்கணும்னு எதுவுமே fixed கிடையாது. The proportion of component is not fixed. Now see what is mixture. Mixture is an impure substance and contains more than one kind of particles. In mixture, the components are mixed in any proportion. So mixture பாத்தீங்கன்னா எந்த ஒரு proportionல வேணாலும் components இருக்கலாம். Now see, a mixture can be physical combination of two or more elements. Example, 22 karat gold, which is composed of gold and copper or gold and cadmium. Okay, so ஒரு gold நம்ம எடுத்துட்டோம்னா it is not a pure gold. Okay, only gold மட்டும் இருந்தா கண்டிப்பா அது வந்து நம்ம எந்த ஒரு ornamentsம் செய்ய முடியாது. So அந்த gold கூட copper or this cadmium if we add, இது add பண்ணா மட்டும்தான் நம்மளுக்கு வந்து perfect structureல நம்மளுக்கு ஒரு நல்ல ஒரு ornament கிடைக்கும். Okay, so it is the physical combination of two or more compounds. Example, aerated drink, which is composed of carbon dioxide, water, sweetening and coloring agents. So நம்ம ஒரு drinks, ஒரு cool drink எடுத்துக்கிறோம். Okay, aerated drink எடுத்துக்கிறோம். Okay, it is a composed of carbon dioxide, water, sweetening and color agents. So இதெல்லாம் சேர்ந்ததான் நம்மளுக்கு அந்த drink. Okay, it can be physical combination of an element and a compound. Example, tincture of iodine is composed of iodine in alcohol. Okay, dear children, separation of mixture next topic நம்ம அடுத்த வீடியோல பார்க்கலாம். கண்டிப்பா எங்க வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு யூஸ்ஃபுல்லா இருக்கும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். எங்களோட சேனலை இதுவரைக்கும் subscribe பண்ணாதவங்க subscribe பண்ணிக்கோங்க. Thanks for watching our video. Thank you. Have a nice day.